Today I'm going to show you a quick little thing about color holds. Color hold is just a fancy way of saying your line art is a different color other than black. First, let me show you what I have here. This is a commissioned inked piece for a friend of mine who's doing a video game. Penciler was Giuseppe D'Elia, and I was the inker. If we look at it, we'll see that it's, outer space, all black, some stars. I mean, it kind of gets lost a little bit. I inked things keeping in mind that I want to make certain things different colors than what they are. For example, let's start with inside his helmet. What I mean by that is I inked it on a separate layer. And this is important too when you want to do like color hold separations. Otherwise, you'll have to go around and cut all of this out. But if you kind of know ahead of time what you want to do, what kind of different colors you want, what objects or things in the background, whatever, you can just kind of plan ahead and ink on a separate layer. So let me see, I got the helmet right here. And all you have to really do, and this is like so simple, you click on the helmet, it's activated. You go to layer properties. And if you don't see this tool here, you could go to Window, Tool Properties, right there. If it's not open, you'll find it right here. So all you really need to do, oh, wait, let me first say, all my inked layers are monochrome. That means that the pixels are either black or white. This will work with other layers, but I'm just so used to doing it this way. It just has a cleaner, sharper look. And you go to Effects, and you'll see some of them here. And the one you want is Layer Color. That's simple. Click on that, and it should default to blue, but I've used it previously in this project. That's why it defaulted to red. That's it. And all you have to do to change that color is click and pick whatever color you want. Type in your hex number. That is it. I also have the background inked on a separate layer, so all I got to do, and that is it for color holds. If you plan ahead, it's great. You can ink blasts, gunfire, laser blasts, a special object or item in your story that needs to be singled out, maybe something that always glows. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned something, that's awesome. If you already knew it and you watched it, I appreciate that. So check out this video where I ink this Spaceman. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe.